Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Nestled in the heart of Mumbai, this B school gives ample opportunities to not just engage in peer group learning, but also provides scope to learn from the bustling city life of the financial capital of India. Spread over 1.7-acre land in a space-crunched city like Mumbai, this campus has everything that a B school student looks for. We are going to talk more about the Wellington Institute of Management, or better known as We School, in this episode of KYC. Established in 1977, We School works under the aegis of S.P. Mandali Trust, one of the oldest trusts in the space of education that manages 43 quality eminent educational institutes in Maharashtra. The institute's thought process stems from a design thinking approach, thus bridging academia with corporate leaders for industry-related management education. Campus life. The institute has two campuses, one in the financial capital of India, Mumbai, and the other in India's Silicon Valley, Electronic City, Bangalore, Karnataka. Both the campuses are in the prime business hubs of India, providing better opportunities for students during their placements. The Bangalore campus is 1.5 acres in size, equipped with all the latest facilities and technology. It came into existence in the year 2008 and since then has produced many future leaders. The Mumbai campus of We School is a hotbed of thriving new thoughts, ideas, and enterprise. The state-of-the-art facilities like Wi-Fi, innovation and leadership labs form an integral part of teaching methodology along with other new-age learning tools. The campus provides an open-air amphitheater, a 250-seater auditorium, a dedicated brainstorming room for constructive discussions related to business problems, yoga and meditation cell, a dedicated recreational center, and a fully functional gym to provide both learning and unwinding during their time on campus. All the classrooms are air-conditioned, equipped with state-of-the-art AV facilities. The students are also offered to undergo learning sessions in agri-lab and audiovisual rooms to impart learning beyond books. The institute also boasts a massive library with 40,000 books on various aspects of management and varied Indian and international journals, along with an online repository and database of cases. The institute also provides hostel facilities for students coming from different parts of the country. Life on campus is a mix of hardcore brainstorming sessions and rushing for submission deadlines to that of enjoying the B School life through fests and events. Events like Mashup and Jugaad Live focuses on addressing issues that are pain points of today and are triggers for innovation for tomorrow. Impact Inter MMS PGDM Annual Cricket Tournament is a 2-week flagship event of S.P. Mandali's principal Ellen Wellington Institute of Management Development and Research. We School gears up to the action. 10 business management schools across Mumbai battle it out to win this title every year. Programs offered. PGDM. The program is for those who have 2 years of work experience or are freshers aspiring for job roles in marketing, finance, HR, and operations. The program offers knowledge in business management basics with hands-on experience on live projects. In view of the latest best practices, it has integrated diversity and inclusion as a full credit subject. PGDM e-Business. The program is for aspirants from non-IT and IT educational background students who wish to make their professional progress in the most happening and globally reckoned e-commerce sector, a revenue contributor to most organizations in healthcare, retail, hospitality, travel, insurance, real estate, banking, etc. PGDM Business Design. The program offers management education from the design thinking perspective. It encourages the learner to innovate with customer centricity at the focus of operations by helping the learner develop a problem-solving mindset. PGDM Research and Business Analytics. The program enables the students to learn how to make sense of the available dynamic data, information, and knowledge. It offers IBM SPSS in addition to free source Python, R, Tableau. It aims to grooming future managers who understand human needs through big data. PGDM Healthcare. For aspirants with medical, pharma, life sciences educational background, this course offers business management from a healthcare perspective. It covers all practical aspects of modern healthcare in the areas of pharmaceutical, hospital, medical device, health insurance, and healthcare IT and analytics. PGDM Media and Entertainment. For those aspiring to be highly effective media business management professionals, this program is intense and stimulating. Focus on subjects like digital marketing, digital content management, content creation and management, storytelling, narratives, and strategy studies is met in this program. PGDM Rural Management. The program invites the students to travel beyond the books to know and understand the village life in India. Students live and experience indigenous life. The outcome of the program focuses on grooming future marketers who endeavor to understand the challenges and create growth opportunities in rural India. PGDM Retail Management. It offers a comprehensive view of the retail industry along with functional specializations. Students learn retail store operations, buying and merchandising, retail negotiation skills, and a lot more through this program. Fees. The fees for the PGDM program at V School is 5.5 lakh rupees per annum, which accounts for rupees 11 lakh for the 2-year program. USP. Innovi. Innovi is Mumbai's first innovation lab initiated by the Wellinger Institute of Management, where students and faculty members study social innovations in finance, business model innovations, product design, etc. Innovi incorporates design thinking into the development of ideas and is a unique space for students to engage in fruitful discussions and result-oriented approaches. Global Citizen Leadership Program. The Global Citizen Leadership Program, integrated into the 2-year management program spread across 6 months, a summer internship across 8 weeks, and specialized field learning initiatives, provide a fertile and innovative learning atmosphere for students. National and international level competitions are a regular element for V School students, which is part of the Global Citizen Leadership Program. NEEV. It is a 2-week orientation program that hosts corporate leader guest sessions, industry-specific roundtables, seminars, and conferences across verticals, industry domains, and provides a rich acquisition model. Learning by doing is the mantra that V School follows in all these initiatives. Rankings. V School is ranked 68th in the National Institutional Ranking Framework by the Ministry of HRD in 2020. It is also ranked among the top 50 educational institutes in India by the Atal Rankings of Institutions on Innovation Achievement, also known as ARRIA in 2020. It is also awarded a 5-star rating by the Innovation Cell, Ministry of Education, Government of India, for promoting innovation and startup on campus during the Institution Innovation Council calendar year 2019-2020. Selection process and eligibility. Candidates with a minimum of 50% in degree exam from a recognized university completed by June 2021 can apply for the PGDM program at V School. The candidate should have taken either CAT, ZAT, ATMA in February 2021, CMAT 2021 or GMAT 2018 onwards to apply for the program. The final selection of the candidate is done basis their scores and evaluation in the personal interview round. V School's unique profile-based selection process assigns significant value to academic performance, work experience, group activity, personal interviews, along with the written test scores. Student Exchange Program. V School provides an opportunity for appreciation of other cultures, languages, and histories to become effective global leaders. It administers and develops international exchange agreements along with participation in international networks and cooperation with academic partners. Besides having international partnerships with universities globally for exchange, joint research, study tours, V School also collaborates with other universities or companies for select engagements. Notable alumni. A B School has often touted successful basis the alumni it has produced over the years. For an institute like Wellinger, the list of successful alumni members is long, and they are making strides in the corporate world currently. Preetham Desai, Executive Director of JP Morgan Stanley Securities, Vikram Gupta, Vice President Global Banking Division of Deutsche Bank, Jiggy George, Director of India and South Asia Cartoon Network Enterprises, Shirish Joshi, Vice President Cisco Systems India are just a few names that have once been part of the V School campus. Deepthi Tiku, Kaustav Kanade, Hemant Thakur, Aditi Bansal, Sudhir Rai are a few more names working in diverse fields who have passed out from V School. Final placement and salary. According to the Institute, the class of 2020, the average salary for most of the PGDM programs has seen an increase this year during the placement season. 142 new companies from different sectors like automobile, banking, financial services, analytics, media and entertainment, design, etc. took part in this year's placements. Infosys, TCS, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Amazon, Accenture, HP, PwC, US Deloitte, USI, EY, Sirius Tech Healthcare Technology, Nestle, Deutsche, HSBC, Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, Viacom AT, many more came on campus to pick up students. The highest CTC for the PGDM batch stood at Rs 19.25 lakh per annum, while the average CTC stood at Rs 8.96 lakh per annum. The overall average salary of the PGDM program stayed at Rs 8.61 lakh per annum. That is it for today, guys. Tell us if the video helped you to understand V School a little better. Share this video with people who might be interested in the V School, and tell us also in the comments if we were successful in getting you the information that you always needed. Also tell us in the comment section below that which are the other B schools that you want us to talk about, and we might come up with a video for you.